Have you ever considered that some common household items could be increasing your cancer risk? It's a chilling thought, isn't it? But it's crucial to face the reality and be aware of the potential health risks that may lurk in our everyday environment. From the kitchen to the living room, unseen dangers may be hiding in plain sight. They are the silent, invisible threats that we often overlook. In this video, we will uncover some of these hidden dangers lurking in your household. First on our list is the plastics in your kitchen. These everyday items may not be as benign as they seem. You see, certain types of plastic, particularly when subjected to heat, can release harmful chemicals. One of these is bisphenol A, or BPA, a compound often found in food and drink packaging. Studies have linked BPA to an increased risk of certain types of cancer. And it's not just BPA. Phthalates, another group of chemicals used in plastics, have also been linked to health risks. Often these chemicals can leach into the food and drinks we consume, especially when the plastic is heated, such as in a microwave or dishwasher. But don't fret, there are safer alternatives. Consider swapping out plastic containers for those made of glass or stainless steel. These materials are less likely to leach chemicals and are often more durable, so that innocent-looking plastic container might not be so harmless after all. Next, we have your non-stick pans. It's a modern marvel, isn't it? The ease and convenience of cooking without the worry of food sticking and burning. But did you know that this convenience comes with a hidden cost? The coating of these non-stick pans, often made from a compound called polytetrafluoroethylene, can break down at high temperatures. When overheated, this coating can release toxic compounds into the air, which you might unwittingly inhale. Now, we're not suggesting you quit cooking. Far from it. There are safer alternatives out there. Cast iron pans, for instance, are a fantastic choice. They're durable, retain heat well, and are naturally non-stick when properly seasoned. Stainless steel pans are another excellent option. They're resistant to rust and staining, and they can withstand high cooking temperatures without releasing any harmful substances. So, next time you're out shopping for kitchenware, remember this. It might be time to reconsider your love for easy-to-clean non-stick pans. Now, let's talk about air fresheners and cleaning products. It's surprising, isn't it? The very things you use to keep your house clean and smelling fresh could potentially be increasing your cancer risk. Many of these products contain harmful chemicals, such as phthalates and formaldehyde. When you spray these products into the air, you're not just freshening up your living room or scrubbing your kitchen counter. You're also releasing these chemicals into your environment, where they can be inhaled or even absorbed through your skin. So what can you do to reduce this risk? Fortunately, there are plenty of natural and homemade alternatives available. For example, you can make your own air freshener using essential oils and water. Or for cleaning, consider using vinegar, baking soda, or castile soap. These options are not only healthier, but they're also often more cost-effective. Remember, a clean home doesn't have to mean a toxic home. Finally, we can't forget about cosmetics and personal care products. These everyday items may seem harmless, but they can harbor hidden dangers. Many beauty products, from your favorite lipstick to your go-to shampoo, can contain potential carcinogens. These harmful substances, often buried in a long list of ingredients, can include things like parabens, phthalates, and even formaldehyde. Now, it's important to note that not every product on your bathroom shelf is a ticking time bomb. But being aware of what goes into these products is a significant first step to reducing potential risks. So, the next time you're shopping for a new mascara or body wash, take a moment to check the ingredients list. Look for products that are free from these harmful substances. Opt for items that are labeled as paraben-free, phthalate-free, or formaldehyde-free. Your beauty routine could be a lot more dangerous than you think. Let's quickly recap the household items we've discussed today. Our homes, our personal sanctuaries, harbor unseen dangers that could potentially increase our risk of cancer. The everyday items we've taken for granted, from the kitchen to the living room, could be the culprits. In our kitchens, we've talked about the plastics. They seem harmless, convenient, and integral to our daily lives. However, they contain chemicals like BPA and phthalates, which can seep into our food and drinks, posing a risk to our health. These chemicals are endocrine disruptors, with research suggesting links to various types of cancers. Then we moved on to non-stick pans, a staple in most kitchens. The convenience of easy cooking and cleaning comes at a price. These pans, when overheated, release toxic fumes containing PFOA, a chemical linked to kidney and testicular cancers. It's a sobering thought, making us rethink our cooking habits and utensils. Next, we ventured into the realm of air fresheners and cleaning products. They make our homes smell good and look sparkling clean, but the chemicals they contain can be harmful. Many of these products have volatile organic compounds known as VOCs, which are linked to various health problems, including cancer. We've also discussed cosmetics and personal care products. Our shampoos, body washes, lotions, and makeups often contain parabens and other chemicals linked to breast cancer. The cosmetics industry is largely self-regulated, which means we need to be extra vigilant about what we're putting on our skin. The purpose of this video wasn't to alarm you, but to raise awareness about the potential risks lurking in our homes. It's about making informed choices, about knowing what's in the products we use daily. It's about taking small steps towards a healthier home, a healthier life. Opt for BPA-free plastics or glass containers. Consider alternatives to non-stick pans. Choose natural cleaning products and air fresheners, and scrutinize the labels of your personal care products. Every little change helps. It's not about living in fear, but living with knowledge. It's about understanding that the choices we make today can impact our health tomorrow. Remember, knowledge is power. Stay informed, make smart choices, and live a healthier life.